Let's learn about light. How can we see things around and how does it travel? Light is important as it enables us to see things and allows us to move around without bumping into one another and into things which might hurt us. And the sun God's provide us is the main source of light. It radiates light which makes it possible for life to exist on Earth. Sun help plants to grow. Animals and humans need plants for food and the oxygen they produce. Without heat from the sun, Earth would freeze. There would be no winds, ocean currents, or clouds to transport water. Besides of sun as natural source of light, there is also artificial lights or it's made by human, such as lamp, matches, and candle. Do you know how can we see things around? We can see things because light is reflected from the objects into our eyes. We are able to see things all the time from the moment we open our eyes when we wake up in the morning until we go to bed at night. We need light to look at everything that is around us. We are always looking at something. All light comes from light source, and every object can reflect it. That process is called as reflections. Reflection is the bouncing back of light from a surface. When light falls on an object, the object reflects it. This reflected light reaches our eyes, helping us to see the object. Now, look at this process. Smarty is able to see Ari because Ari is able to reflect light from the light source into Smarty's eyes. And it happens to Min. Min is able to see herself in a mirror as the light she reflects from the light source is then reflected by the mirror back to her eyes. Light travels in a straight line. This explains why we cannot see things around the band of corners. The speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. Nothing travels faster than light. This is the reason why we see lightning before we hear thunder. Lightning and thunder are in fact produced simultaneously on a stormy day. However, as light travels faster than sound, lightning is seen first before thunder is heard. These straight lines you see from sun are called as rays. If light travels in a straight line, what will happen when it is blocked? Kindly observe this picture to answer question 3. If you are done watching this video, write down 3 questions you have found here on the notebook, then submit it to Google Classroom.